Got this whole thing pretty much ground out and sanded. I've got to put a little bit of filler in some of these spots. I thought there might be some glass work, but there's not. I got this giant mound of dust I got to pull out of here and then wipe this down a bit. And I've still got the center piece that goes in, I guess, as a bunk. Center bunk, center bunk, whatever you want to call it. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to take a break here. I'm sweating and disgusting after all that. Got the whole ceiling and everything ground down. Anything that's loose has come off, so kind of go with that. Normally what I'll do is I'll throw a good layer of gel coat on, and sometimes there'll be something that kind of puckers up, and I'll just chisel over that and then put on my second or third coat, second and third coat. Kind of go from there basically. So that's what I'm going to do this time. I don't really foresee any problems or issues with this whatsoever. It should be a pretty good job.